Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I wanted to walk you guys through one of the most basic retrieval techniques. So it's called a brain dump, or sometimes called free recall. Give you a bit of some of the reasons for why it's useful, or when you would want to use it, as well as pretty much how to do it. It's pretty simple. So brain dumps are, again, probably the most basic form of retrieval. They're pretty useful for helping with retention, helping with how fast you're able to retrieve information. But probably the biggest benefit in comparison to the other retrieval techniques, because the other retrieval techniques also help with retention, strengthening pathways, and even more than the brain dump, I would say it's probably the how quickly you can implement the brain dump. So it doesn't take that long, and it's pretty convenient because you can pretty much do it anywhere you are. So here's how you go by doing it. So pretty much it's you pick a topic or a set of topics and just retrieve everything you know about the subject and offload it onto some notes. So maybe it could be a general or more specific topic. So it could be like, I don't know, quantum mechanics. Okay, everything I know, I'm gonna put down. Or it could be something more specific within that, right? It could be, I don't know, computing, solving the Schrodinger equation, something like that. And then I put everything I know about that topic and offload it onto some notes. And it could be in any type of format. So it can be in bullet points, it can be in just regular notes, it can be in mind maps, anything. The point is just retrieving that information and offloading it. So that's pretty much it for brain dumps. They're also called free recall. The other benefit of it in comparison to other types of recall, such as cued recall, which is what you use when you're doing flashcards, is that you actually are retrieving at a more general level, because when you're using flashcards, you're using what's called cued recall, where it's like, okay, a specific question, and then you retrieve something from memory based off of that cue, and so there's like a link between it. But usually, when you're actually using it in real life, that link it's not like this very specific question, and then you retrieve this specific information in relation to that question. It's usually more general, so that's another benefit of free recall or brain dumps, because we're just having like a topic that's being selected and offloading everything from that topic instead of one specific cue and then offloading things from that cue. So it's more general and hence, better when you're actually using it in real life. So that's it for this lesson, and see you guys in the next ones. All right.